In order to use TM1 worksheet functions in IBM Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel, we need to ensure that the IBM Cognos Office Reporting TM1 add-in is enabled. To do this, open Microsoft Excel and click the File tab. Then click Options in the left pane. In the left pane of the Excel Options dialog box, click Add-ins. You'll be presented with a list of Excel add-ins. If the IBM Cognos Office Reporting TM1 add-in is enabled, you should see it under Active Applications Add-ins. If not, select Excel Add-ins from the Manage drop-down and click Go. And from the Add-ins dialog box, check the IBM Cognos Office Reporting TM1 add-in. If you don't see this option, click Browse, then navigate to the IBM Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel install location, enter the Cognos folder, then the IBM for Microsoft Office folder, and then select Cognos Office TM1.xll and click OK. Finally, if you have IBM Cognos TM1 Perspectives installed, ensure that the IBM Cognos TM1 Perspectives add-in is disabled, as these two add-ins cannot be active simultaneously. And that's it. That's how you enable TM1 worksheet functions in IBM Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel.